Digital journaling, the mindful hobby taking over 2025. In a world of fast-paced content and endless scrolling, a quiet yet powerful hobby is making a comeback with a digital twist. Digital journaling is exploding in popularity as more people seek balance, mindfulness, and creativity without stepping away from their screens. Thanks to apps like Notion, GoodNotes, and Zinnia, journaling in 2025 has evolved beyond the leather-bound notebooks of the past. It's a flexible, visually rich, and deeply personal activity that allows users to track their goals, document daily life, and express themselves with art and aesthetics. Whether you're into mood tracking, gratitude lists, or simply outlining your week, digital journaling is more than writing. It's a lifestyle. Why is this hobby trending now? Partly, digital journaling offers the best of both worlds, a calming, introspective process that lives in the cloud. With customizable templates, sticker packs, and mood boards, users can design their own sacred space without ever needing a physical notebook. The habit is portable, easy to update, and perfect for people who crave both structure and spontaneity. Even better, there's a growing online community sharing layouts, ideas, and personal growth journeys. It's creative, calming, and hyper-relevant to how we live today. Another reason for the surge is the connection to mental wellness. In 2025, conversations around mental health are more open and accessible than ever. Journaling, especially in a digital format, lets people check in with their thoughts, manage anxiety, and track emotional patterns. People use daily prompts, reflection grids, and even voice-to-text tools to build a deeper understanding of themselves. There's no pressure to be perfect or even to write full sentences. Doodles, photos, quotes, and color-coded pages all count. This freedom makes the habit sustainable, even for those who never considered themselves journaling types. For those looking to monetize or share, digital journaling opens the door to content creation. Influencers now share time lapses of their weekly spreads, downloadable templates, or tutorials on how to start. It's a niche, but a fast-growing one. Whether you're journaling for peace of mind or to build a community around your aesthetic, this hobby proves you can grow while staying grounded. In a world that's louder than ever, digital journaling is the quiet rebellion people didn't know they needed.